In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email composing format in Microsoft Outlook Fast 2025 Guide. Start by opening your browser, searching for Microsoft Outlook, and signing into your account. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top left area. Depending on your version, you may see a file menu or a settings option. Go ahead and click File if it's visible. Otherwise, look for the settings icon to access your preferences. Inside Settings, select Mail. This is where Outlook groups everything related to composing, replying, and reading messages. Next, choose Compose and Reply. This section is the hub for your composing format. Think of it as your default style sheet for every message you write. From here, you can set your default font style. Pick a font that's clean and widely supported, such as Calibri, Arial, or Segoe UI. If your organization has branding guidelines, match those here so every new email and reply looks consistent. Right below, set your font size. For most professional email, 11 or 12 points keeps things readable without looking oversized. If you often present detailed information or your recipients read on mobile, 13 or 14 can improve legibility. Next, choose your default font color. For accessibility and clarity, stick with standard black or a very dark gray. If you prefer a branded color for headings or signatures, use it sparingly and ensure there's strong contrast against a white background. Avoid colors that are hard to read or could be confusing for readers with color vision deficiencies. You'll also see options related to how you respond from the reading pane. Set your default action, reply, reply all, or open in a new window based on your workflow. If you want to minimize mistakes, setting reply as the default is a safe choice, and you can still choose reply all when needed. Finally, configure the option to cancel a message for up to 10 seconds after clicking send. This is the undo send buffer. Maxing this out gives you a brief safety net to catch typos, missing attachments, or the wrong recipient. When you hit send, you'll see an undo prompt for the number of seconds you selected. Most versions of Outlook save these changes automatically, but watch for any Save or Done button and confirm your settings are applied. After updating, compose a new email and a quick reply to see the style and behavior in action. That's it. Your composing format, default reply behavior, and undo send window are now tailored to your needs.